Lifestyle video number 20. Road trip. Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. I think that's how it goes. But I do have the bags packed. I have the VS Go camera bag, got all my equipment in it, and I've got the Peter McKinnon 35-liter travel backpack. Bags are packed. We're ready to go. I'm bringing with me the Casio G-Shock Rangeman as my backup to the Casio G-Shock Move GBD H2000. Where are we going? We're going to Iceland. Battery indicator at the lower 6 shows high. We're ready to go. Can you believe it? 15 stalls taken.
This is our pre-boarding announcement.
You know what I'm doing. My flight leaves soon. Get out of here. Here we go. We're boarding off to Iceland. What's up, babe? Well, that was a heck of a walk from the plane to the baggage claim, let me tell you. But we're here. And we're in an all too familiar place, Costco, Iceland. Little delayed at the camper spot, but we're rolling.
Keep left to stay on Reykjanes, bro.
And you know what else is kind of a little bit unsettling? Who's in charge of marketing? Any company name with the word die in it just doesn't give you peace of mind, does it? Oh, and here's a snapshot. I forgot to provide a snapshot of the Indy camper that we're in. Sleeps double back there for 2. Spin around to the front area. Got a dining room. You got a kitchen area. And then you pull down this loft that you see right up top here. That becomes where my sleeping quarters are going to be. Comfy, comfy, comfy. Hope I don't snore. All right, we've come to our first location. This is the crater. Ooh, this is sick. This is the crater. Holy jeez. Deep in the crater. Deep. I gotta catch up to Amy. Where is she? Oh, she's way over there. Way over there. Crater Kerio, formed 6,500 years ago. You saw the measurements or whatever, but it's real deal. Location number 2, the Strokkur Geysir. She blows her top every 7 to 10 minutes. Destination number 3, Skogafall. What is it called again? Skogafall Falls. It's pretty sweet. Hey, Drones are forbidden. Rules are meant to be broken. Who said that? Gulfoss. Gulfoss. Gulfoss Waterfall. I got it wrong the first time. Had to get a Red Bull with no sugar just to push through. It's been a long day. But finally we're at our rest stop now. Looks like we're in the middle of nowhere. But that's good for us. Plugged in, got full power. Little rain coming in now, which is great. We managed to get to 3 destinations. No problem. Tomorrow's another day. We'll see you soon. Destination number 3, Gulfoss. It's all fun and games till someone goes over the ring. Gulfoss Waterfall, destination number 3, day 1. Isn't this just gorgeous?